Akaba izefi. Ine shayish bokshana so if you fast shashale. Elo lo vale imba kwa nani. Ruth, everybody. Go. Yeah. That is Twambo, ladies and gentlemen. Take us to church, brother. George. Go, brother. Let me hear it again.
Yahweh, Yahweh, ni mwema umutima wandi ule kabila.
Let's go.
Yahweh,
Go.
Yahweh,
Together. Let's go.
Yahweh, ni mwema Yahweh.
Very easy to sing along to.
Ule kabila.
Come on, you can do it louder.
Go. Yahweh, ni mwema mutima.
Let's go. Give him some
Ule
support.
kabila.
Now the next part is simple. It goes like this.
Sumbulweni yenu Yahweh, wachenike shina yenu Yahweh, Sumbulweni yenu Yahweh, watching Yahweh.
Your turn. Pick your voice. Let's go. Come on, let's stand up. We're being lazy.
Watching the car.
Let's go. Now, for us to keep quiet, we're going to go to the beginning. It's just you and me. Let's go.
Yahweh, hey, Yahweh, ni mwema mutima wandi ule kabila.
Nakakandi na kena.
Yahweh,
Where's Ty?
Yahweh, ni mwema mutima wandi ule kabila.
Just me and you.
Yahweh, ni mwema ule kabila.
Yefafe wana mayo nomba. Bana mayo.
Yahweh, 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 Yahweh,
only. Let's go.
Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Yahweh.
Lovely.
Imwewo mutima. Ule kabila.
I can't hear chants. Let's go. Yahweh.
Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Imwewo. Ule kabila.
Okay, we're doing the chorus again. Listen.
Sumbulweni yenu. Yahweh. Yahweh.
I really love what the Lord does for me, you know?
Sumbulweni Yahweh.
Watching nigga, let's go. Please help them. At this point, I know you're praying for somebody. I don't want you to pray for yourself. I want you to pray for somebody that's in need. I want you to pray for somebody very close to you and somebody you don't know. I did tell you this album has taken me 5 years, and it makes me very emotional to see all of you guys here. And we said thank you to God, but say thank you to yourselves as well. You know? That's all I can say.
Yahweh.
I'm not very good at words. I love to sing. Please cut the music.
Yahweh.
Thank you.